back. This is Nipi Jibu and you are watching the channel Language Gallery. In every competitive exam, English is there, especially from the grammar part. Now, parts of speech play an important role in English grammar. Now, parts of speech mean there are 8 parts. Noun is an important part in parts of speech. There are a variety of nouns. But today in this video, we are going to learn about noun of gender. Now, when you talk about English, we have 4 types of gender. Normally, we have only 2 types, but here we have 4 types of gender. That is masculine, feminine, common and neuter. What are the 4 types? Masculine, feminine, neuter and common. Masculine nouns denotes male gender like father, boy, king, whereas feminine nouns which shows the female gender, either mother, girl, queen, etc. And we have common gender, which is something we cannot identify or we cannot specify the gender. That means it can be an object like pen, table, paper, chair, like that. Now we have one more category which is neuter. That means when you are listening or when you are getting a noun, you are not able to identify whether it is a male or female, like person, child, student. So we are not able to identify. When you are getting the word student, we don't know whether we are talking about a male gender or a female gender. നമുക്ക് ഈ masculine ഫോമിനെ പ്രധാനമായിട്ട് 3 രീതിയിൽ ഫെമിനൈൻ ആയിട്ട് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. One is, the first method is giving a different name or different word. Like an example, father, mother, husband, wife. So 2 different names you have given for the male genders. Now second method is you can add ESS. So when you add ESS to the masculine noun, you will get a feminine noun. Example, host, hostess, prince, princess. So you have added ESS to get a feminine noun. And the third method is you can add an affix which shows the sex. Like monster, she monster, and salesman, saleswomen. Hope this section is understood for you. We will go to the question answer session. Question number 1. My nephew got admission in the government boys high school. What you need to do is, wherever the masculine form is used, you need to change it to the feminine. Here the word is nephew. Nephew, what is the feminine noun? It is niece. Niece. Niece is the feminine of nephew. Question number 2. The milkman was frightened by a tiger. The milkman was frightened by a tiger. Milkman is the masculine noun here. The feminine form is milkmaid. M-A-I-D, milkmaid. And question number 3. He remained bachelor all his life. He remained bachelor in all his life. Bachelor, the feminine form is spinster. Spinster is the feminine of bachelor. And he enjoys his master's confidence. He enjoys his master's confidence. Master, the feminine form is mistress. Mistress. He is clever than his brother. That's the last question. He is clever than his brother. Brother, what is the feminine form? Of course, we know that sister. Hope this session is understood and it is clear for you. Your doubts are most welcome in the comment box, and please subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.